friends, welcome back to the my new video and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to increase phone sleep time. Guys, is your phone sleep like your phone screen sleep within 1 minute, 2 minute, 30 second, 15 second, 5 minute, but guys you want to increase into 10 minute and 30 minute. So how can you increase it in this video guys? I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and guys if you like my video so guys please go and like the video. So first of all open your phone setting to increase your phone sleep time guys. Then guys you can see this type of setting. So guys click on guys your this brightness setting fans. Then guys scroll it again. Then guys you can see guys your auto screen off. So guys tap here. So you can increase guys your phone sleep time from here. And guys you want to increase into 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. So I want to increase into 10 minutes. So I will increase it. So when you will guys on your phone first time, and guys you will not touch anywhere, so guys automatic guys after 10 minutes guys your phone will sleep, means your phone screen will off guys. You can try. So I hope friends you have understood how to increase phone sleep time in our oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.